Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Today we're diving into something that most people are completely overlooking when it comes to XRP. If you're holding XRP or even just watching it, you'll want to pay close attention. This setup could be one of the most powerful moments in XRP's price history. We'll break down the long-term chart, key signals from the RSI, realistic price projections, and why XRP might soon outperform Bitcoin. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 90% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so first up, let's talk about the bigger picture, XRP's long-term setup that most people are missing. When we zoom out to the monthly chart, XRP has been in one of the longest accumulation zones in its entire history. After its previous all-time high, it spent several years moving mostly sideways. To put this into perspective, the last time XRP moved like this, back in its early years, it stayed in consolidation for around 1,300 days. So when it finally broke out, the price exploded. The current accumulation phase has already lasted over 2,600 days. That's nearly double the length of the last one. This kind of extended sideways action often precedes a major breakout, and it looks like XRP is getting close to that moment again. Now let's take a look at the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, and why it's flashing signs of strength. During past XRP rallies, RSI levels on the monthly chart surged into the overbought zone. We're talking RSI values in the 70s, 80s, even 90s. More recently, XRP bounced off a critical RSI level, 65. That level used to act as resistance, but now it seems to be holding as support. This is a very bullish sign. When RSI flips a level like that, it often means momentum is shifting and price could soon follow. So what does this all mean in terms of actual price targets? Let's break it down with Fibonacci levels. By applying the Fibonacci extension tool based on XRP's historical market cycles, a conservative target comes in at the 1.618 level. That level points to a price of around $28.70. And no, this isn't a moonshot guess. XRP followed this exact same pattern during previous bull runs. First, it hits the 1.618, then consolidates before any further upside. It's a pattern that's repeated before and could repeat again. If XRP reaches that level from current prices, we're talking about a massive move to the upside. Even if it doesn't go far beyond $28, that's still a significant target, and definitely a zone where many investors might take profits. But here's another angle people forget: XRP's performance against Bitcoin. Historically, XRP has underperformed Bitcoin for a long time, but recently there's been a shift. XRP has broken a major long-term downtrend against BTC and is now testing a multi-year resistance range. If XRP can break and hold above that level, it could signal a full reversal, meaning XRP might start outperforming Bitcoin in the next cycle. And if utility-driven coins take center stage, XRP could benefit even more. Finally, let's talk volume sentiment and market positioning. Right now, XRP's trading volume on centralized exchanges is relatively low. The last time volume was this low, it was followed by a major price move. Also, funding rates have cooled off, and open interest, meaning leveraged positions, has dropped significantly. When you combine low volume, neutral sentiment, and a cleaned-out market, that's often the perfect recipe for volatility. And if that volatility breaks upward, especially through XRP's key resistance at around $3.40, we could see a full-blown breakout. So here's the bottom line. XRP is setting up in a way that's very similar to its most explosive rallies in the past. With a long-term accumulation zone, supportive RSI, clear Fibonacci targets, and improving performance against Bitcoin, it could be on the verge of something big. Let us know what you think. Do you agree with this setup? Drop your XRP prediction in the comments. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.